Under 5 minutes, I'm gonna teach you a super simple card prediction trick that needs zero practice and no special gimmicks. It's all simple math. Alright, let's get into it. First, you show your deck to your spectator that they see that it's totally normal. And you give it a shuffle, just like that. Then you place your prediction card aside and make sure I don't switch it. We will check it at the end. Now ask the spectator to name any number between 10 and 20. Let's say they choose 18. You deal 18 cards onto the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are some random cards, right? Now you add the digits of 18 together. 1 and 8 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. A completely random card, right? But there is the crazy part, that the card perfectly matches with my prediction. How is it possible? All the cards are different. I'm Parsa and I'm a magician for a few years and I have about 200,000 followers on Instagram, but I'm new on YouTube and in English language. So if you like this trick, you are probably like me and the others in the community that love magic. So hit the subscribe button and join us. Now let's get into this tutorial that you predict your spectator on a randomly selected card, and you can predict it, or you can read his mind because you already know what his card is. Grab a deck of cards and just place your predicted card as the 10th card from the top of the deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and your predicted card, and memorize it. It's 9 of spades, for example, just like that. Next step, write your prediction on a piece of paper if you want, or use a different card. Now go in front of your spectator and give him your prediction and shuffle and give a deck a false shuffle. For example, this false shuffle, I'm sure you know it. Now, no matter what number they choose, once you deal and add the digits, you always land on the same card. For example, he choose 11. His number has to be between 10 and 20. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And pay attention, you have to count the cards like this. The cards has to be reversed. Now add the digits. 1 and 1 equals 2. 1 and 2. Just like that. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. This was a very simple and easy card prediction trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Excuse my English accent. And if you want to learn how to build a card shooting weapon with the normal deck, just like that, and shoot your spectator selected card, watch this video. It's another free magic tutorial. Make sure you watch it. Thank you.